First tonight, as this bulletin goes to air, firefighters are battling to try to bring a blaze at the Naviti resort along the Coral Coast under control. Fiji One News has confirmed with the National Fire Authority Chief Executive John O'Connor that several fire tenders from Singatoka are now at the scene trying to bring the fire under control. At this early stage, all that is known is that the fire has so far destroyed parts of the hotel's conference room as well as a restaurant. All hotel guests have since been evacuated. We now join our reporter Ndreo Vukailangi over the phone live from Naviti. Ndreo, can you tell us what's happening?
Yes, I can confirm that here at the Naviti resort, that all of the restaurants that are owned by the hotel, that's including 4 of the restaurants, has been completely burned down by the fire that started at around 3 p.m. at here in Naviti resort this afternoon. Also, the Jacks and Tapo's business houses here in the Naviti resort has also been burned down, and also the front office. At the moment, the firefighters, together with the police, are still here trying to work out the cause of the fire here at Naviti resort.
Thank you very much, Ndreo.